Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Windows account without Microsoft account on this laptop. First of all, if you reached the connection point, then do not connect to the internet, and if you are already connected, then either turn off the router if you have access to it, and if you don't have the access to the router, then reach the place where the signal of the router is unreachable and you cannot use the internet. Then proceed with the following steps. Use the combination of Shift and F10 buttons on your keyboard. Press both of them simultaneously. You will open the CMD window. Now in this CMD window, what I want you to do is input the command OOBE \bypass NRO. Once you do that, press enter and wait until your device restarts. And from this point you can continue the process normally. So first of all, select the language for your setup process, then select your country or region and click yes to confirm. On the following page, select the keyboard layout for your computer, click yes, and if you want to add a second keyboard layout, click add layout and proceed. And then once you're done, click skip. Then instead of connecting to a network, select I don't have internet option that you see right here. Then continue with limited setup. Then click accept. Then enter your name right here. And once you do that, click next. Then you can create a password for your account, but you don't have to do that. If you really want to, just enter it into this field, then click next, and if you don't, click next either way. Now choose some privacy settings for your device. I usually go with location and find my device features, because location lets you use location-based experiences like directions, weather, news, etc. And find my device feature lets you find your device in case it's lost or stolen. Diagnostic data collects the info about the websites you browse and how you use apps and features and sends it to Microsoft. Incontinent typing collects data about your typing and sends it to Microsoft. Tailored experiences basically creates your ad preference. What was it called? The personalized recommendations. Okay, so you can get to know with each of these yourself, and once you're content with your choice, click accept. Then you can create an ASUS device ID by inputting your name, first name, last name, email address, your country or region, and your phone number. But you can you can skip this step by clicking next. Then you can get more from ASUS device by hitting this checkbox to quickly create your own ASUS account if you wanted to do it right now. If you want to enable ASUS notifications news, then you can hit this checkbox right here. I'm gonna uncheck it. Then if you want to use your information to register a McAfee account, you can hit this checkbox right here. I'm gonna uncheck it too. Then click next. Then wait a moment. And at this point the setup process is complete. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.